it's Megan with WTI, and if you have some clutter around your home, I have personally found that just a few shelves can make a huge difference. In particular, these SRIWATANA floating shelves. They have these really unique looking square brackets that not only are really secure when the shelves are installed on the wall, but they also make these shelves pop. These shelves come in a set of 3, which means that you really have options with them. However and wherever you choose to install them is completely dealer's choice. I love the natural wood grain design that can complement any color scheme I choose to go with. I chose to split these shelves up, with the largest shelf being installed above my makeup shelf in my bedroom. As you can see, this shelf was getting way too cluttered, but installing the largest shelf above this shelf completely fixed this problem. The other 2 smaller shelves were perfect for our living room. The smallest one was practically made to be a permanent home for our Bluetooth speaker that we use almost every day. The other medium-sized shelf was great for a couple of decorative items that I have, including my Edison lamp, which up until now I was always afraid of knocking over, but now I no longer have that fear. These SRIWATANA shelves have been such a practical and stylish addition to my home, and I am thrilled with how they have helped me to declutter. And that's my point of view.